Welcome to our channel where we explore the best travel destinations around the world. Today we're taking you on a journey to the enchanting city of Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina. From its rich history to its vibrant culture, Sarajevo has something for everyone. Let's dive in. Number 6. Enjoy the Bascarsija. The Bascarsija is Sarajevo's lively main square and marketplace, filled with shops, restaurants, and cafes. It's an excellent spot for finding souvenirs, sampling local cuisine, or simply enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. Established in the 15th century, Bascarsija has been a key center of commerce and cultural life in Sarajevo. The area is bustling with street vendors, selling various goods, including handmade crafts, jewelry, and traditional Bosnian food. Additionally, Bascarsija is home to several historic landmarks, such as the Clock Tower and the Copper Workshop, which are popular attractions for tourists. Number 5. Explore the Old Town. The Old Town in Sarajevo is a historic district known for its maze-like streets, vibrant houses, and significant landmarks. Established in the 15th century by the Ottoman Empire, it has a rich history that showcases the city's diverse cultural heritage. Highlights include the Gazi Husrev Beg Mosque, a 16th century architectural gem, and one of the largest and most significant mosques in Bosnia and Herzegovina, celebrated for its elegant minarets and impressive interior. Another notable attraction is the Sebilj Fountain, built in the 18th century, which is a favored meeting spot for both locals and visitors, offering a great place to unwind and soak in the old town's ambiance. Additionally, the Latin Bridge, the site of Archduke Franz Ferdinand's assassination in 1914, is located in the Old Town. This event played a crucial role in the onset of World War I, making the bridge a popular and poignant historical site. Number 4. Appreciate the Olympic Mountains. The Olympic Mountains, located just outside Sarajevo, offer stunning views of the city and its surroundings. Named after the 1984 Winter Olympics held in Sarajevo, these mountains gained international recognition and became a premier destination for winter sports. Key attractions from the Olympics include the Jaharina Olympic Center, which hosted various sports and cultural events, as well as numerous ski slopes and trails used during the Games. Renowned for their beautiful natural landscapes and recreational opportunities, the Olympic Mountains are a popular spot for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. They feature a variety of trails and slopes suitable for all skill levels, and are home to several ski resorts offering amenities such as ski rentals, ski schools, and après-ski activities. A visit to the Olympic Mountains is a must for anyone in Sarajevo, providing a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're hitting the slopes, enjoying a leisurely hike, or simply admiring the breathtaking views, the Olympic Mountains are sure to impress. Number 3. Climb Yellow Fortress. The Yellow Fortress is a historic fortification situated on a hill overlooking Sarajevo. Built in the late 17th century, it offers panoramic views of the city and surrounding area, making it a popular tourist spot that provides a glimpse into Sarajevo's past. Originally constructed as a defensive structure, the fortress is now a peaceful place, with beautiful gardens and pathways for visitors to explore. It gets its name from the durable yellow stone native to the area, used in its construction. Throughout its history, the fortress has served various purposes, including as a storage facility for weapons and supplies, and as a prison. Beyond its military use, it has also been a significant site for the city's cultural and social activities, hosting picnics, concerts, and festivals. Tourists can enjoy stunning views from the top of the fortress or explore the serene gardens and winding paths throughout the grounds. Number 2, the Sarajevo Cathedral, a stunning Orthodox church situated in the city's center. Constructed in the late 19th century, it is renowned for its ornate interior and beautiful stained glass windows. This cathedral is a popular tourist destination and holds significant importance for the city's Orthodox community. It exemplifies Byzantine architecture with its gold-plated dome, intricate frescoes, and elaborate iconostasis. As an active place of worship, it plays a vital role in the cultural and spiritual life of Sarajevo. The Sarajevo Brewery is a favorite spot for beer enthusiasts, offering tours and tastings of its locally produced beers. Established in 1864, it is one of Bosnia and Herzegovina's oldest breweries. Located in a historic building in the Old Town, visitors can tour the facility to learn about the brewing process and sample various beers. The brewery is celebrated for its high-quality beers, crafted using traditional methods and ingredients. Number 1, the Sarajevo War Tunnel. The Sarajevo War Tunnel served as a vital lifeline for the city during the siege of Sarajevo in the 1990s. Constructed by Bosnian soldiers and civilians, it was used to smuggle supplies into the besieged city, which was encircled by Serbian forces. This tunnel, an impressive engineering achievement, was hand-dug through solid rock and extended over 800 meters, 2,620 feet. Today, it functions as a museum, where visitors can learn about its history and view exhibits about the war. The tunnel stands as a powerful reminder of a significant historical event and the resilience of Sarajevo's people.